All right, so in this video, I want to show you or tell you how you can get our team to promote your link for you for free, right? And look, this is powerful. And this has helped a lot of our team members to start making money online literally for free. It's powerful, right? Look. This is all about the Team Builders free traffic rotator system. Okay, so how does this work? And what is the Team Builders free traffic rotator system? Now, this is a group of marketers, right? We are experienced marketers. We have traffic, and now we are deciding to give that traffic to our team members for free. We are not going to charge you anything to give you that traffic for free, which is exciting. And that is what is exciting so many people out there right now. Because now, even if you are brand new to affiliate marketing, you don't know how to generate traffic for you to start getting sales, we have the system that helps you to get the traffic for free. It's so powerful, right? Really powerful. So this is good for brand new beginners. It's good for other experienced marketers, but right now they're having challenges of getting traffic, which naturally means low sales. You get me, right? Because out there, the problem out there is this. There's a big problem out there. And that is the problem of everybody is individualistic, right? Nobody is working really as a team to get you traffic and which end up getting you sales, right? So nobody is doing that. Everybody is focused on themselves. And that is a big problem. So when you join this business, when you join an online business, the only thing they tell you, this is your link. Go out there, start promoting your link. And then if you are brand new, you are like confused, they try to teach you one or two marketing strategies. But of course, you know it doesn't work, right? Because you really don't know what to do. And I have seen a lot of people join online businesses and they don't even know where to go, how to go, what to do, and at the end of the day, it's almost like they are losing money, okay? Now, that is why we formed this team build thing, right? Where what we do is simple. We don't do much, but what we do is the most important part of this whole online business thing. Now, what do? We just, when you join our team, and then we get your link, we will now take your link, add it to our team rotator traffic, which is free to do that for you. Now, when we add you to our rotator traffic, we start sending traffic to you immediately. Now, the advantage is this. That means your business is running immediately you join our team. And we will be running your business for you while you learn all those things they want you to learn, right? We don't want you to be overwhelmed. So we help you by giving you part of our traffic and getting you leads, which eventually turns to sale, and that is very good for you. All right, so your business starts running, you are seeing leads come in, and hopefully you are seeing sales come in, just like we are seeing sales. And that's why we are able to give you the same quality of traffic for free, which is powerful. Now we have join the Team Builder System. That's the program that we are promoting, right? And this unique thing about the Team Builders System is that it is also done for you, right? So we do the traffic, the Team Builders System does all the follow-up for you, closes sales for you, which is exciting, right? So that means if you join our team, some of the benefits you get are this. You don't need any technical skills, right? So those of you who are worried, Victor, I don't like to set up things. You don't have to set up anything. You don't need any technical skill because the team build system does all that for you, right? They set up everything for you. So they set up your website, set up your autoresponder, and you get a free autoresponder. So they set all those things for you. Now, once they set it up, they give you your link. And that is the link that we need in our team for us to promote your link for you for free. It's powerful, right? So even if you are not good yet at getting traffic, you don't have to worry because we are going to send part of our traffic to your link. If you don't know how to promote, well, that's not a problem anymore because we are sending our traffic to you. So we are literally promoting for you. Now, if you don't know how to recruit, then don't worry because with this system, there is no recruiting. You don't have to recruit anybody, so that then there's no need of you worrying about that. There is no selling required because the team builder system does all the selling for you. They have a full call team that call your lead and closes sales for you. So you don't have to worry about that. So that's why with this system, you don't need any experience of your own. No, you don't. You don't need to have any form of experience. Okay? You don't need to pay monthly fees. So there is only a one-time setup fee. And once you pay that one-time setup fee and you pay it to the team builders system or company, not to us. So you pay one-time setup fee and that is all. And then once they give you your link, you just give us the link and we start sending those traffic to your link. It's so simple. And this is a worldwide program. So it doesn't really matter wherever you are in the world. All right. Now, before I go, I want to tell you a little bit about the team builder system, all right? How they pay us, right? Now, with the team builder system, you will earn 200% front-end mega link sales. So every time we send traffic to your link and you get some of those mega link sales, you will earn 200% commissions. That's powerful, right? Now, but that is not all. You will also earn 200% second-tier commissions in front-end mega link sales. That means that every time somebody in your team, and remember, we are sending the traffic, so we are helping you to build that team. But anytime somebody in your team makes a mega link sale, you earn 200% commission. But that is not even all. You will also earn 200% commissions. No, right? This is it. You will also earn second-tier commissions. Now, second-tier commission on all products in the team builder system. How do you like that? And look, they have a lot of products, right? They have softwares, courses, training, everything. And you, anytime somebody in your team, either they buy a product or they sell a product, you make money. It's crazy, but that is not even all. Now, as a team builder, you are now qualified to earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. This is the joker, right? So now you are able to earn commissions on multiple fronts just because you are a team builder. So if you are ready to join the team builders free traffic rotator system where we do all the work and you keep the commissions, what you want to do is this. Go to the link in the description above, right? Or the link in my profile. Click that link, okay? Now, make sure you are using a brand new email address, right? This is very important, and I always say that. Make sure you are using a brand new email address that you've never used for any program before, because you want to make sure you fall on my link and you fall on my team, right? You don't want to lose the opportunity of getting this consistent free traffic to your link. So make sure you are using a brand new email address you've not used before, and then you go to my link and go, or my profile, click that link, join the team builders system. All right. Once you have gone to the team builders and you have joined the system and now you are a member of team builders, now you can now come to our team, which is the Team Builders Free Traffic Rotator System. All you need to do for that is simple. Just give me your link. I will check the back office, make sure you are in my team. You give me your link, and then we add your link to our growing Team Builder Free Traffic Rotator, and we start sending those free traffic to your link, and hopefully you start getting those leads, and then hopefully some of those leads start converting to sale, and who knows, you start also getting those high ticket commissions. Now, if you have any question, what you want to do right now, go straight to my profile, right? Once you go straight right now, if you have any question, privately DM me. Let's talk about it. And if you like this video, go ahead, click the like button, click the share button, and then with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.